హలో ఎవ్రీవన్. పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 13 మనకు ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ వెక్టార్స్ టాపిక్లోంచి ఒక 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేస్తాడు. ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్స్ పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్లో వచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం మనం. లెట్ us see this first question. Find the volume of tetrahedron having the edges I plus j, j plus k, k plus I is given. Let us draw a tetrahedron first. Yes, this is a tetrahedron. Given that the edges are I plus j, j plus k, k plus I. I am going to mention here one edge I plus j. Next edge j plus k. Another one k plus I cap. Yes, let us suppose these are a bar, b bar and c bar. Let a bar equal to I plus j, b bar equal to j plus k and c bar equal to k plus I. Now I am going to find volume of tetrahedron. Volume of tetrahedron, you know the formula, 1 by 6 box ABC, for which we have to apply modulus sign. Yes. First I am going to find box ABC value. I, yes, I component, j component 1, 1. There is no k component, right? Ij components 1, 1. Next, in B bar 0, 1, 1. In C 1, 0, 1 it is. Yes. Solving the determinant, we get 1 multiplied by 1. Next, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Last one 0. So that what we get? Box ABC value 2. Therefore, here volume of tetrahedron become 1 by 6 of box ABC value 2 and for which modulus sign. So that what we get? 1 by 3 cubic units. This is the answer. Just write the formula 1 by 6 box ABC and find the determinant. Move to the next one. There are two vectors a bar, b bar. Find the angle between 2a plus b and a plus 2b. Yes, since a bar is 2i plus 2j minus 3k and b vector equal to 3 times of I minus j plus 2 times of k. Now you can find 2a plus b first. 2a plus b. 2 times of a is 4i plus 4j minus 6k added by b vector 3i minus j plus 2k. Yes. Now 2a plus b become 4i 3i 7i, 4j minus j 3j. Next minus 6k plus 2k, that is minus 4k. This is first one. Move to the next one. A bar plus 2 times of b bar. You have a bar 2i plus 2j minus 3 times of k. Next plus 2 times of b bar. 2 times of b bar here 6i minus 2j plus 4k. On simplification, a plus 2b become, this is 8i. Next 2j gets cancelled. Minus 3k plus 4k become just plus k. This is second vector. Now we need to find angle between these two vectors. You know the formula cos theta equal to a dot b by mod a mod b. So here to find angle between these two vectors, I am going to use the same formula. Cos theta written as 2a plus b dot product with a plus 2b in the numerator, dot product in the numerator, and magnitudes in the denominator part. Modulus 2a plus b, modulus a plus 2b. Yes, now I am going to write cos theta. You have 7i plus 3j minus 4k dot product with 8i plus k. In the denominator part, magnitude of two vectors, 8i plus k here. On simplification, numerator, dot product of two vectors is defined by a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. So here 56 minus 4 we get in the numerator part, divided by, next magnitude of this, root over 49 plus 9 plus 16 it is, and this is 64 plus 1, so that what we get, 52 whole divided by, this is root over 25 plus 49, root over 74, root over 65. Therefore, you can write theta equal to cos inverse of 52 divided by root over 74 root over 65. This is your answer. Let us move to the next question. Find unit vector perpendicular to the plane passing through 3 points is given. Suppose that there is a plane and it is passing through 3 points, coordinates 1, 2, 3, next 2, minus 1, 1, and the other having coordinates 1, 2, minus 4. Now here it is required to find vector perpendicular to this plane. Let us suppose given points are P, Q and R. By joining PQ and PR, we get two vectors. Assume those two vectors A bar and B bar. Then you can easily find normal to this plane containing the vectors A bar and B bar. That is unit normal n cap defined by plus or minus A cross B divided by modulus A cross B it is. If a plane containing two vectors, then the unit vector perpendicular to plane containing those two vectors is defined by plus or minus A cross B by mod A cross B. So first, by given 3 points, let us find two vectors. Yes, given that the points P 1, 2, 3, another point Q whose coordinates 2, minus 1, 1, and the other third point R whose coordinates 1, 2, minus 4. Now I am going to find first vector, that is PQ vector, written as OQ minus OP, and second vector B bar, that is PR vector OR minus OP, that is OQ minus OP, 2 minus 1, that is 1i, minus 1 minus 2j, that is minus 3j, 1 minus 3 minus 2k. Next OR minus OP, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, minus 7k we get, I, j, k here. Yes, these are A and B. Now let us find A cross B first. I am going to find A cross B. Determinant of I, j, k. A bar components 1, minus 3, minus 2. Next vector components 0, 0, minus 7. And from this, A cross B become minus 7 multiplied by minus 3i minus j. So that A cross B vector becomes 7 times of 3i plus j. Yes. Now I am going to write required unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing A bar and B bar is n cap equal to, you know the formula, plus or minus A cross B, that is 7 times of 3i plus j divided by modulus of 7 times of 3i plus j. 7 gets cancelled, so that n cap become plus or minus 3i plus j divided by root over 10. This is required unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing